Hey guys, it's Josh from Oxman Garage, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a DEWALT hammer drill and impact driver. Hey guys, this is Josh from Oxman Garage, just doing an unboxing video of the DEWALT kit here with the hammer drill and the impact. Just gonna go over the features and do an unboxing of it. So this is the kit that comes together. This is DCK2100D1T1 right there. I got this at a store in Waukesha, Wisconsin, Black Friday deal for $300 after taxes, so it was a pretty good deal. So here's the box right here. Comes with a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service. So you're getting the drill, the hammer drill, and the impact driver. So basically, if you go over all the ratings here, you have the hammer drill here and the impact driver down here. So I was going to show all your features there, so I'll just bring the box up so you can take a look. So this comes with the hammer drill. You get the 6 amp FLEXVOLT battery. You get the grip there. Impact driver. This comes with a 2 amp battery. You also get the charger, and then you get a bag. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open her up. Like I said, this comes in a bag now. Back in the day, when I bought my old kit, it always come in the box. So I think they're going away with the boxes and or the tool case, and they're going with the bags now. Just basically, you got your instructions. You got some battery. Another battery. Here's the battery charger. Here's the pistol grip. Here's the hammer drill. Impact driver. And then this is the empty bag. The bag has a pocket in the front. It's got the handles. It's a decent zipper. So let's put that over here. So let's take the battery out first. This is the 2 amp battery. It's in pretty good shape. I got all three LEDs there. That's fully charged. This is the 6 amp battery. FLEXVOLT. It's not that heavy actually, maybe a little bit heavier than the 5 amps, but not too bad. It's got this little guard on here. You're supposed to keep it. A little sticker on top just to kind of release it. You're supposed to hold the button. So I guess you're supposed to hold on to this. So while it's in transport, it's just like a guard to protect all your connectors here. That's fully charged too. Nice. So there's the battery. Here's the charger. So this is the 6 amp charger for the FLEXVOLT battery. There's the pistol grip, or just the grip. pretty solid. It's similar to my old one. So here is the hammer drill. It's pretty nice. So this isn't too heavy. So I wear an extra large glove whenever I buy, you know, mechanics gloves or working gloves. So fits really good in the palm of my hand. Trigger, just trigger stop there. Feels pretty good. And there's the part number. Chuck feels good, nice and solid. It's got the, you can see it right here, it's got the adjustable brightness for the LED. Looks pretty good. Put a battery in it. So you got your dial on top. Click from hammer to drill, and then your settings. You got your transmission, how fast you want your RPMs to go. There's the LED, it's very bright. Then you got your adjustable setting. Nice, brighter. That is very bright. I like that. Yeah, perfect if you're drilling into concrete, stone. It's really nice. Okay, and here's the impact driver. In every bag, they have the clip on there too. Here's the impact driver. Here's the part number. Got the 3 LED lights right here. Gonna help you while you're working. And then this one has the, let's see it, this RPM adjuster here, speed adjuster, which is really nice. Solid construction, good grip on the hand. Battery in it. So I got this on 1 right now. That's how bright the lights are. Okay, go to 2. A little bit. Yeah, that's really nice. I like that. Okay, and then here's the charger. So, this gives you the diagram of the first and second stage charging, and when it's charged, whether it's hot or cold. Hey guys, it's going to show you how heavy the hammer drill is in comparison with the driver. So I have a scale over here. I'm just going to weigh it. It's going to show you. So it's about almost 3.5 pounds. Okay, and then when you add the 6 amp FLEXVOLT battery, you now have almost 6 pounds. So this is got a little girth to it. So let's do the impact driver. It's going to be a little bit lighter, about 2 pounds. We'll just add that with the 2 amp battery. So you just added another 13 ounces, just about. So it's a lot lighter. I love using this for wood projects and stuff, building shelves, or you know, if you're building a deck or something, or doing some construction in the house. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the DEWALT hammer drill and impact driver kit from DEWALT. That is item number DCK2100D1T1. Like I said, I bought this from a store in Waukesha, Wisconsin. I got it for $300 Black Friday sale. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Again, this is Josh with Oxman Garage.